But do you forgive the person? The person keeps on repeating. It's like a circle. Excuse me. Because he thinks, oh, when I do this, when I go and I ask for forgiveness, he will forgive me.
He or she does not think as the way you suppose. But it's a new thing. Like you are learning something new, right? When it comes to learning, it's difficult for everybody to learn. So some people are able to pick things very easily. Some do pick things in a couple of times. By the grace of God, we have kids. Sorry if you don't have kids, if you are listening to me. Bringing up a child is children. We have your own crano ahodo. Akrebu owa fast no picking him. But nya akrebu na fast. In the no nkyere say doctors ba picking him and tema me ban picking him so me press see crano. Obia na ne de. Ati ase. Enti e bia ukuna ware no. Or so man time na ira ware so man time no picking. Be baako mienu. Oh now coach no. Don't expect say at once now I can't pick it. It doesn't work like that.
No, I disagree with him totally. Nana is talking as if like we are talking about kids. These are grown-ups. And pennyfo mienu you people have come together to marry. Our enankasa itself, it's a work. Then you get a man that you're going to take. What time do I need to take? Fine. Say at the end, it depends on the gravity of the thing the person has done to you. And ubasa wodi chenipa no. Now here is the case even wodi chenipa no krapo na make an is a choice. Now why you don't want the channel? Na nipa ne san ya de kro no bi na wo say what na ho say you need to wait for the end. Let me give an example. Nana Poku, I will never side with you because anytime you're having a discussion, you quote it with a very nice word. I don't understand why he does that. Because mini mikunu netie. Ebi a mikunu no any your friend is saying ye house help. And ebi a mikunu no. Oni me house help nada. It is my choice.
It's a gravity.
Yeah. Because yen fan say ye nemu a na se minim say as a woman me ya ma said I'm doing it well, I'm doing everything, you have not complained. And then I see say oni me made ada na me dey acho first one because fine I didn't know what transpire ebia enumpo yen fan she bia wa kire me say bia doctors we na wonye ni ye intimacy okay fine and I will correct myself so that we leave. Then I'm trying and I said me so me fight say I can be able to meet up to your standard and I said meet you halfway and then the next minute I realize also na sa kwada bioma. You are telling me say no
you need more time.
I wanna make us say bia ade na made ni ya me support is a bear money any oba etia no made that. Yeah, you guys should get me right. But I'm talking in case of human. Because I find nipa. For instance, I'm a man. A man, saying I'm a boy, and different from saying you're a man. A man takes time to get feeling for a man. But a man, it doesn't take time. We go by what we see in a seconds. Yeah. What I say? In terms of it's time ni abutre. Bearman ne made akoda. Waka. Why pemu skills bia. Asana na akoda. Maybe depending on how you dressed in whilst you are in the house. Maybe how you put yourself together whilst you are in the house. So if I were you have to.
But I mean, Joa, no. There are husbands. Some of the husbands, they no matter how you dress in the house, if they will still want to go out or sleep with their housemate, they will do it. That one.
Trust me. Yeah. Trust me. I'm a man. A man. How you put us and how you place us. That's how we.
So you are telling me, say all men.
No, not all men.
Thank you.
Sorry, not all men. Not all men. Some men, and some also go beyond board. So you are unlucky to have those that go beyond board, also the other. Oh, the NSA, you have a big work to do. Some oshana onye guda sorry to use that word, I would prefer you to learn more in sex. After learning sex, men man and you must start sex at the like just go beginning. Those neman can take more man a farmer. Yes, we fire. What you say? You need to change the way you dress in your house.
Why should you always be like do things? Chesa wona wakwaya boneno. Wo a yemfa ne se wo a waya ade na. Me no.
We are the head of the house.
It cannot be.
No matter, look at the way the girls are behaving.
No. Listen.
Don't agree.
That is why I will stress that forgiveness is a choice, because when you have an attitude like this, why? How can I forgive you?
Whether you people like or yes, it's it in the Bible.
Stop using the Bible and be realistic, Nana Poku. Stop using the Bible.
I'll keep being realistic.
Okay.
But in our social life, when a lady is found of fornicating out of marriage, it is seen to extreme to everybody.
But why is it not with men?
But with men, it's normal. Why is it normal?
Yeah.
Listen, why? Do you know? Do you want to know the reason why?
Yes,
tell us.
I'm gonna tell you guys tonight. This morning. The reason is, look at. I love the way the ladies are attentive now. Be attentive. I love it.